How to get your TikTok account unbanned. Open any browser that you prefer. If you're using iOS, open your Safari and search for TikTok help and support. Tap on the first suggestion, that is your TikTok support, and wait for it to load. So from here in the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for banned account or unbanned. Let me walk you through the process. So once you have hit the search bar, you will find an article like this. So what you have to do is you have to go ahead and tap on the first suggestion shown at the very top, that is content violations and ban. In this section, it is all about community guidelines and more to your problem. But we are looking for a little option called appeal. So scroll down until you see file and appeal option, which might be under the option of how to appeal if your content is removed or TikTok account is banned. You'll be redirected in this page where you have to scroll down again, and then you will see contact us in the blue letters. Go ahead and tap on it. Then you will find a form type of layout right here. So go ahead and fill out this form. Add a topic, that is your problem, your email address, your username that is linked to your TikTok profile, and in additional details, go ahead and write why your TikTok is banned and how you have not neglected any of the community guidelines. You can also upload a screenshot of your problem or the error message displayed on your screen. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.